guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
So for today's video, I'm going to be giving you some DIY Valentine's Day 2022 gift ideas for him. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video. Valentine's Day is approaching. I know by the time I post this video it's probably still January, but you want to get a move on these Valentine's Day gifts, okay? I've just written down a couple DIY gift ideas, so if you see me looking down, it's because they're in my notebook. But let's get right into it. The first DIY gift idea I have is a date night jar. So what you would do is just get a mason jar and then like some cute construction paper, like cute colored paper, and then write date night ideas. Like if it's a movie night, if it's like a spa night, if it's a cook dinner with me, cook dinner together. You write down all the cute little date night ideas and you drop them in the jar. You fill the jar up, wrap it with a nice little bow, and you give it to him, and then you guys can pick out what you do for the night. You can continue to use that jar anytime you guys have a date night and you're not really sure what you want to do. So my second DIY Valentine's Day gift idea is love note mugs. So what you would do is get a plain mug, preferably a white one, like a plain mug, and then some Sharpies. You would write a love note on the mug, like I love you, kiss me, something really cute like that. If you mess up, it's really easy to fix. All you need to do is like take, I think it's alcohol, and wipe it off of the mug. But once you're satisfied with the way that the mug looks, it's all cute and it says what you want it to say, all you have to do to make it permanent is pop it in the oven for 30 minutes, I believe at 350 degrees. And now you have a cute little love note mug. So you can also fill that with chocolates and little goodies if you want, or you could just give the mug like that. You could do like matching mugs, like Mr. and Mrs. mugs or his and her mugs. I think that's super cute and a really great idea. So my next DIY Valentine's Day gift idea is going to be Valentine's Day Poppers. So you know when you're like at a birthday party and they have like those poppers and like confetti and ribbon and all that stuff falls out of it, you can make your own popper and fill it with like chocolate and confetti or cute little love notes if you would like. Wrap it in some really cute like Valentine's Day gift wrapping paper and then have them pop it, and then all the cute little stuff would be in there and it would all fall out. It would be super cute. So the way you do this is you get like two paper towels, like two paper towel rolls, or like one paper towel roll and you cut in half, and then you would just stuff it with chocolates and like confetti paper, love notes, pictures if you can get like little Polaroid pictures. My phone is going off. Chocolates, their favorite candy. Put those two pieces together, wrap them together, tie up the ends in some cute ribbon, preferably pink, red, or white, and then they pop it and all the Valentine's Day goodies fall out of them. Whatever you decide to stuff the popper with is what they will get. So my next DIY Valentine's Day gift idea is like a paint and sip date, where you would just either buy blank canvases, or you can go to Michael's or any art store, or like you can buy them on Amazon, things that are already outlines, like canvases that already have a picture, and you guys paint and sip at home. You can watch a movie if you'd like. You can drink your favorite wine, your favorite liquor, your favorite juice if you're under 21. And it's just a really cute, intimate way to spend time with each other. And then you guys can exchange the gifts. You can exchange your pictures at the end of the night if you would like, or you can just hang up your picture, he can hang up his picture. I just think it's a really cute Valentine's Day idea, like a stay-at-home date night. So my next DIY gift idea is going to be a mason jar of candy. So I have actually done this one. I just filled up a mason jar with all of his favorite candies, whether it be like Pop Rocks, it could be chocolate, it could be Crybabies, it could be Nerds, it could be Snickers. Just fill it up to the top. Get some interesting like lollipops that you can like stick at the top of it. What is it? Rock candy. I don't know if everybody has that, but like rock candy, and you stick at the top, and it's filled with all of his favorite candies that he can eat, and you can also eat too if he's not paying attention, because you know we're all about a two-way gift on this channel. Gifts for me and him. Those are the kind of gifts I like. So my next DIY gift idea is a collage of pictures or like a scrapbook of pictures of you guys. So if you have a lot of pictures, if you guys have been dating for a while, or if you just end up taking a lot of pictures, what you can do is print out all of your pictures and then make a scrapbook of all of your like your first or all of your like memorable pictures. Like if you remember what that picture was from, write like our first date, our first kiss, first time we went to the movies together. Like if you still have some of those things that you guys have shared together as a couple, then I think that's really cute and sentimental, and you can just make a cute little scrapbook and gift it to him, and I think he would really appreciate it. And it's a good reminder of all the great times you guys have spent together over the years or the months or whatever it is. My next DIY gift idea is going to be a favorites gift bag. So you just get all of his favorite things, whether it is like he's been wanting a video game, you get a video game, a cap, a teddy bear maybe, cologne, a wallet, maybe even some flowers, because you know what? I think guys almost never get flowers unless they're dead. So how about we just give the guys flowers while they're still here to let them know that they are appreciated and that we love them. So you just wrap it all up. You can get like it's not saran wrap, I forgot what it's called, like the gift wrap, like the plastic gift wrap that you would get if you bought an actual gift basket. You can buy that at like Target or Walmart. Get a basket, fill it with all of his favorite things. It's like underwear, socks, you can just fill it up like that. Wrap it all together, tie it off with a cute bow, and give him a gift basket of all his favorite things. So my next DIY gift idea is going to be a personalized picture frame. So what you would want to do is get construction paper or cardstock paper, and then just write all of your favorite things about him or all the reasons why you love him, and just do it in like different fonts and different sizes. I mean, I guess you could type it out if you want, and then you know, print it out that way, or like cut and paste it onto like the backdrop of the picture, if that makes sense. Like not the actual picture, but like the back frame of the picture, and then you would add a picture of you guys together. So it would be like a picture of you two surrounded by all the reasons why you love him, all the reasons why you're so happy to be with him. Something like that. Make it really sentimental and personal. You can write his name on it if you'd like. You can write your guys' anniversary dates. You know, if your name is Amy and his name is Adam, Amy and Adam forever, your anniversary date. And then a picture of you two, which I think is super cute, and I'm like 99.9% sure that he will either hang it up on his wall or keep it on his bedside table, because who wouldn't love a personal like handwritten anything from their significant other? I love handwritten notes. I'm a sucker for that. So my next DIY gift idea is for somebody who is good in the kitchen, and it is a baked goods box. So obviously you would make either his favorite cake, his favorite cupcakes, it's brownies, it's cookies, whatever it is. You would make a bunch of those and then write cute little like love notes, kind of like the way that the candy hearts are set up. So you know, they'll be like, kiss me, be mine. You can write that on the cupcakes, and then if you go to Walmart or Target, they have like these white baked good baskets. They look like the ones you would get at an actual bakery. So they're like the white boxes with like the clear top, like the clear film at the top, so you can see into the box. So go to Walmart or Target and get one of those boxes. Fill up the box with the baked goods. I am 1000% sure that your boyfriend, husband, whoever it is, would absolutely love baked goods from the person that they love as well, with cute little love notes on it. Like, 1, it's gonna look super cute. 2, it's gonna taste great. 3, you guys can share them together. I think it's just like an awesome DIY gift, and I'm kind of jealous that I don't have any cupcakes right now, so maybe I'll go to the store and get some for myself. And then my last DIY gift idea is sort of kind of like all of my gift ideas together, but it's called the 5 senses gifts. So you would get one gift for each one of the senses. So for sight, it could be like you guys either watch a movie or you go somewhere, like you do a horseback ride or a carriage ride, maybe a hot air balloon ride. If you grown and sexy over 18 ladies, pull out that lingerie. If you don't have any lingerie, find your best matching panties and bras. That could be the sight gift. For smell, it could be like a candle or like cologne. For smell, you could do cologne, you could do aftershave, you can do candles. for taste, obviously you guys can like cook a meal together. It could be the baked goods, it can be actual dinner, it could be his favorite snacks. For hearing, you guys can like go to a concert, or you guys can like sing karaoke. You can leave him like a cute little sexy voicemail, like, you know, get ready for tonight, you know, whatever you want to say. Leave a cute little sexy voicemail, leave him a voice note, something cute, fun, and flirty like that. So for touch, you can do like spa tickets and you both get massages. I like to do gifts that are good for the both of us. Or you can go to like Walmart, Target, I think even on Amazon they have like massage oil, and you can give him a massage, you know, like you can rub his feet or his shoulders or his back, you know. So you put all of that together, and I think that's a really great like Valentine's Day experience, and it's completely DIY. You don't have to spend that much money on it. 5 Senses gift might be like my favorite one of all. So if you guys want to hear more of my gift ideas for him, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification button, because I might be dropping another Valentine's Day 2022 gift ideas for him. So make sure you are subscribed and have that notification bell pressed so you don't miss the next time I post. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a